Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Spotlight not showing on menu bar on Mac. For example, if I were to go to the top right hand corner of my MacBook and tap on the search icon, you can see that Spotlight search pops up. And from here, you can search for whatever you would like on your Mac. Now, if you don't see this option on your MacBook, all you'll need to do is open Settings. So you're going to open System Settings. Once you have done that, what I want you to do next, from the left hand menu option, you're going to tap on Control Center. After tapping on Control Center, all you'll need to do now, you're going to simply scroll down, and then from there you will see the option Menu Bar Only, and you're going to see Spotlight. I want you to tap right where you see Show in Menu Bar, and you want to toggle that on. Once you have done that, you will realize that you will now see a search icon in the top right hand corner of your screen. So you can tap right there and you will be able to search for anything on your MacBook and find it quite quickly. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.